Have you ever struggled with color matching your restorations? For 3D printed restorations, in this video you will learn our techniques for using the Nano Stain kit, from initial finishing to the final glaze. We'll start with a base layering technique to elevate the aesthetics of your restoration. Select the appropriate body shades matching your patient's teeth. Don't forget, before you begin, shake your stains thoroughly to ensure a balanced pigment mix. We'll start with body A, followed by smoke blue, to characterize the incisal edges. For areas requiring higher chroma, we choose mammalian brown to create depth and shadow effects. We'll use red-brown, and for high-value highlights, we'll use white. Today, we're staining a high-strength resin prosthesis, printed with Duranite resin. First, we remove the support structures and use a micromotor to quickly trim and smooth the surface. We recommend using your choice of carbide burrs or abrasive stones for this step. For a refined surface finish, we suggest using rubber cups or point polishers. Once the prosthesis is clean and free of debris, we apply our bonding agent. PMA bond is the ideal adhesive for resin, acrylic, or PMMA structures. After application, wait at least 1 minute for the solvent to evaporate from the surface. Our adhesive line contains no photoinitiators, so light curing is not required. You can use an air dryer to speed up surface drying. After waiting 1 minute, begin staining using size 0 and 00 brushes. It's essential to keep your brush tips in good condition to achieve fine detail and properly manipulate the pigments. Here is the shade mapping layout we'll use. To achieve a natural, lifelike restoration, we divide the tooth into thirds. Translucency effects go on the incisal third, body shades for the core base shade, and higher chroma tones go on the cervical third. To create shadow and depth, start with smoke blue on the incisal third, keeping the color localized and blending gently. For a seamless transition with the adjoining shades, to avoid oversaturating the unit, apply the stain in a thin layer and flash cure for 10 seconds. Next, apply your selected body shade, in this case, body A, over the cervical third, spreading it evenly. Proper distribution ensures a natural-looking transition without heavy spots. If needed, build up multiple thin layers of stain to match the patient's shade intensity. Light curing for 10 seconds between applications. Flash curing between layers prevents color bleeding and allows for more precise chromatic layering. Next, blend shades for a subtle shadow effect. By mixing mammalian brown and red-brown, apply a minimal amount to the mesial and distal line angles to enhance depth. Be sure to avoid stain pooling, which can cause an unnatural final result. Remember to clean your brush every time you switch stains to prevent cross-contamination. Clean brush tips with isopropyl alcohol and dry them carefully to maintain their point without damaging the bristles. The final characterization effect uses white stain to create high value on the piece, emphasizing linear angles and incisal halo effects, or softening oversaturated areas. Here, we highlight the incisal edge and accentuate the mamelons. During application, blend the white thoroughly to avoid harsh spots or an artificial fluorosis look. Once staining is complete, it's time to glaze. We will use ID Nano Glaze 380 nanometers, which is ideal for light curing units and curing ovens. Shake well so the protective nanoparticles are evenly distributed. When applying to the prosthesis, brush in a single direction and maintain control over material thickness. Light cure, according to the processing instructions for your specific ID Nano glaze formulation. Then apply glycerin to remove the oxygen-inhibited layer made during the final cure. This completes our staining protocol using the ID NanoStain kit. We hope you can apply these techniques to maximize your clinical and lab results. Stay tuned! In our next video, we'll cover gingival characterization, from surface texture selection to final finishes, using the Gum Master Kit by Ideas Dentales.